Jungle Beach is nestled on the southern coast of Sri Lanka. Just a short drive away from the historic city of Galle lies a pristine paradise known as Jungle Beach. Jungle Beach is conveniently located, making it easily accessible from both Galle and Colombo. The nearest major airport is Bandaranaike International Airport in Colombo, from where you can hire a private car or take a train to Galle. Once in Galle, it's a mere 20-minute drive to Jungle Beach. The journey itself is a scenic delight, offering glimpses of Sri Lanka's stunning coastal landscapes. This hidden gem, tucked away amidst lush greenery and overlooking the azure waters of the Indian Ocean, offers a unique and tranquil escape for travelers seeking a secluded and immersive natural experience. Pristine beaches. As the name suggests, Jungle Beach is renowned for its secluded, pristine sandy shores. The crescent-shaped bay is surrounded by thick coastal vegetation, creating a sense of isolation and tranquility. The untouched beauty of the beach makes it an ideal spot for sunbathing, swimming, and taking long walks along the shoreline. The lush jungle that borders the beach creates a dramatic backdrop, making it a fantastic spot for photographers. The juxtaposition of the dense greenery against the clear blue waters of the Indian Ocean is a sight to behold. Jungle Beach is a haven for snorkelers and divers. The coral reefs in the area teem with a diverse range of marine life, including colorful fish, sea turtles, and even occasional sightings of dolphins. Whether you're a novice or an experienced diver, there are options for everyone to explore the underwater world. The jungle surrounding the beach is not just a backdrop, it's a living ecosystem. Keep an eye out for a variety of wildlife, including monkeys, monitor lizards, and a myriad of bird species. Birdwatchers will particularly enjoy spotting hornbills and kingfishers. Jungle Beach is not overrun by tourists, which is part of its charm. The limited number of visitors ensures a peaceful atmosphere, allowing you to connect with nature and unwind without distractions. Jungle Beach offers a variety of accommodation options that cater to different preferences and budgets. Some of the options include luxury resorts. For those seeking a luxurious experience, there are high-end resorts that offer spacious villas, private plunge pools, and stunning ocean views. Eco-friendly lodges. For eco-conscious travelers, there are eco-lodges that blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. These lodges focus on sustainable practices and provide a unique, immersive experience. Boutique hotels. Boutique hotels in the area offer a perfect balance between comfort and authenticity. They often feature stylish designs that reflect the local culture and provide a personalized experience. Jungle Beach is not just about relaxing on the beach, it offers a range of activities to keep visitors engaged. Water sports. In addition to snorkeling and diving, you can enjoy activities such as kayaking and paddle boarding in the calm waters of the bay. Jungle trekking. Explore the lush jungle on guided treks. Experienced guides will lead you through the dense vegetation, explaining the flora and fauna along the way. Yoga and wellness. Many accommodations in the area offer yoga and wellness programs, allowing you to rejuvenate both your body and mind in a serene natural setting. Galle City exploration. Take a short trip to the historic city of Galle, known for its colonial architecture, UNESCO-listed Galle Fort, and vibrant street markets. Jungle Beach offers a truly unique and immersive experience for travelers seeking a tranquil getaway in a natural paradise. Its pristine beaches, lush jungle, diverse marine life, and serene ambience make it a hidden gem worth exploring. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or simply looking for a peaceful escape, Jungle Beach has something to offer everyone. So, when planning your next trip to Sri Lanka, don't forget to put Jungle Beach on your itinerary for a memorable and enchanting experience.